Hello everyone, my name is Swaroop. I'm founder of Probvision. Probvision is a startup company based in Ireland producing a revolutionary product called SafeEdge AI camera. SafeEdge AI camera is a portable Linux AI computer and a multi-sensor camera which is designed modularly so that students can pretty much replace these sensors with 20 different combinations of sensors, including environmental sensors, health monitoring sensors, thermal sensors, optical sensor combinations, which can provide them a lot of power in terms of generating innovation, drive innovative products to the market, and can commercialize this product in their local community. Basically, this particular product is very suitable to solve use cases like security, healthcare, energy automation, travel safety use cases. Also, the product is designed to bridge the gap that exists currently between the academic final year projects and products that are developed in the corporate world. We want to provide exposure to all the students and academics who want to learn something very practical, something which can be commercialized easily. So we consider this product can definitely provide such a kind of power to everyone. Specifically, it is battery powered with more than 4 hours of battery backup, depending on the mode that they selected for the power saving. And also, the camera has inbuilt Google Edge TPU AI accelerator, which can accelerate the models that we are developing, TF-Lite models, to produce a real-time AI applications. And also, Probvision will provide SDK with a lot of APIs that can pretty much help students to accelerate deployment of product in various use cases, problems, critical problems, and solve those problems in the society. So we propose this particular product as an interface between the academics and the corporate world, wherein the engineers get the exposure at a very early stage how to build the product of this standard with a battery power, wherein they learn how to optimize the product for battery efficiency. They learn how to optimize the temperatures of the device and maintain it in a very operating mode, very nice mode, so that it won't get into any kind of throttling of the device. And also they will learn how to optimize the AI models and basically can quickly deploy the product, commercialize it for multiple use cases. So today, this particular video I am making to invite colleges, universities, robotic institutions, and also the institutions which are currently providing some kind of education visas or job seeker visas to the students and enthusiastic engineers who want to come abroad for the education or job opportunity. So we consider this particular product. We just imagine that a student taking this particular product with him to any interviews where he can, with the display, this can be connected to display very easily. We can provide the portable display, and student can demonstrate his products, what he has done in his masters, and that can motivate any interviewer to select him based on his capabilities. So the product is a computer, very easily can be carried while traveling, especially travel enthusiasts. This can be an action camera. which has 64 megapixels, which can take photos with 64 megapixel sensors, amazing, stunning photos. And camera can be mounted on the drones like DJI Mavic Mini drones, which will actually amplify the innovative products that can really solve using our cameras. It can be mounted as a dash cam or drone cam or indoor or outdoor security cameras. So apart from cameras, we are just also providing lot of services which helps especially the students who want to come abroad for education and job seeking opportunities. So what we have seen over the period of last 2 to 3 years is the student who are coming abroad has increased by more than 50% and every year annually. And not everybody could able to make it to the job at a very early stage after finishing their education. And many more than 30% of students will make a education loan, and they have to get into jobs to clear those loans, to not to become burdens to parents or themselves basically. So many of the students end up doing some kind of jobs in a very non-competitive kind of a jobs, which is serving in the restaurants or serving any elders in the elder cares or in any service stations and stuff and all. So it's not wrong to do any of this kind of a job, definitely. But what we are providing is an opportunity for students to do better job when they are into the masters, when they are doing masters. So basically, students can take our camera on a subscription charges, which can vary from $10 to $30. Before even starting any subscription, they will get a virtual camera access. Probvision is setting up around more than 500 cameras across the world, which simulates various use cases, data. Can be a forest surveillance, can be a dash camera kind of use cases, can be a normal security camera or healthcare kind of use cases. We want to simulate multiple use cases wherein we will provide this kind of cameras to multiple people across the world who will continuously set up this camera, and live data as can be accessed by any students, and see what's the performance of this camera, how good is this camera, how it can be easily integrated to any kind of applications. So we just want to motivate students first, and then followed by monthly subscription of is from 30 to 10 to 30 euros depending on the variations of sensors they are choosing. And then Probvision will be in touch with the students for the whole 2 years of their master's degree when they are doing in abroad, and we will provide many corporate courses which is suitable for this particular camera, to deploy in this particular camera, and student can practically see whatever they are learning, practically deploy and see what is the end result of it, and also deploy. Probably if somebody want to commercialize it or somebody has something very unique idea, Probvision can do some market research and can help students, entrepreneurs to commercialize their ideas. Probvision also would like to fund 1 or 2 students annually to build their own company. We will invest technology and we will provide you the design licensing and all, so that student can basically solve something unique, also something out of the box, and also deploy those solutions in their customer very quickly, raise funds, and also start producing revenue to the company very immediately. So we also provide internship opportunity for students who have taken our product and used our product for 2 years of their master degrees, and for 6 months, and also we'll provide the corporate experience of building products, continue providing this kind of services. Also, Probvision would like to collect short 1-minute technology videos from multiple teachers and engineers who are working in the corporate sectors who can teach something unique in that 1 minute every day. We are creating a community and posting those videos to enhance the knowledge of the student every day. Just 1 minute video that he will learn something new. Probably he won't learn it through his lectures, normal lectures in a master degree. So this can be really advantageous for students, I would say. And also these videos can be sometimes a Git repository, explanation of a Git repository, demonstration of something very unique product, or it can be a technology, a pure technology topic which can deal particular small problem or small technology, what it solves, something like that. So that's definitely going to be a great advantage for students. Apart from that, students can return this product back to us after they get the job and get some percentage of the money back also, and so that we can rotate this product between the next batch of students. So this is our idea. Basically, we want to help students across the world to get up to speed with the corporate world and build such a innovative products at a very early stage. And would some of them who want to take the entrepreneurship route, we would like to support them. Probvision want to be like a technology investor to those companies and would like to speed up your accelerate your deployment of the innovative products. Also want to create a kind of a competitions to students. As I told you, we want to deploy more than 500 cameras in multiple simulate multiple data and use cases. So student can just log into any camera. He can take up competition with respect to Probvision SDK and see whether he can beat our SDK. And if somebody can beat that SDK, your model will be future deployed in the Probvision SDK, and we will actually the revenue generated will be shared with the people who are actually developing and beating Probvision SDK. So it's basically there is nothing like that exists in the whole world which can basically integrate the academics and the corporate world in the way that Probvision want to integrate basically. And I invite students, engineers, colleges, and schools across the world to partnership with Probvision and provide our camera access to your students who has such a motivation to build something very unique and also get a practical exposure at a very, very early stage, which actually can develop their innovation mindset and really can produce, accelerate deployment of many innovative ideas and use cases and bring it to the market in a quick and generate revenue and become entrepreneurs. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see this camera in the hands of multiple students and changing their lives forever. Thank you very much.